Hey guys, it's Asia and Branko, and we're here at the Barrio Logan Art Crawl, second Saturday.
So we're gonna check out some of the food here. We're gonna check out the artists, some brilliant minds.
We're gonna go to La Bodega, and we're gonna check it all out.
We're from TJ and here, like.
Oh,
back and
nice.
forth.
Yeah,
Cool,
back
cool.
and forth. Yeah.
Cool.
It's really common. Like
Yeah.
from over here, like go back and forth. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're one of those people who cross every day, country to country.
Yeah, this is so close.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
And this is what I do, like from my brand, Lame the Gnome. But if you're interested in like more like detailed,
More deep things.
mundane things like this, they all have a story.
Super detailed.
Great.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
If you
Like
want a
this one
sticker,
right
you
here,
can follow him on Instagram and you'll get
Wow.
one. Oh.
crazy stories.
Yeah. I love this. These are nice.
Like more clear
Yeah.
illustrations.
Yeah.
I
Super
have
cool.
both sides, the darky and the
Yeah.
The colorful and the dark side. Yeah.
The commercial and the personal, right?
Exactly.
That's what I've
Exactly.
been
You
doing
get
all my
it.
life, and this is just for the people.
Yeah.
Is this beer soap?
These two right here are, yes.
Yeah?
These are beer soaps. So I actually make it with the Border Eggs Chocolate Abuelita Stout. So they're right across the street. They have an amazing stout. It's super nice and creamy. So these two are actually a lot creamier than a regular bar soap because they're insane. Like they have a lot of shea butter, the cocoa butter, and then they actually have Chocolate Abuelita at the bottom. So you know Chocolate Abuelita, right? It's like
yeah.
Mexican hot chocolate, and it's like a tablet. Got it? Just grind it down, put it at the bottom. Looks like brownie batter. You know?
And what other unique things you got going on here? Because
So-
that beer soap I've never heard of.
Yeah, no, beer soap's amazing. It's really moisturizing more than anything. I also have this one right here that's kind of fun. Hylian Fields, if you like play Legend of Zelda or anything like that.
Oh, nice.
So I have activated charcoal at the very bottom with a little bit of like spinach powder, lemon peel powder, and a chamomile powder. And then right here, so the very bottom is like a more of a red sandalwood powder. And then just like some pink Himalayan salt. There we go.
Oh, okay.
And a little chamomile bud. So it's a little scrubby, a little nice, and it smells like melon. Like straight up, like sweet melon. It's delicious.
Why does that remind you of Zelda?
Because it kind of looks like I was playing Breath of the Wild, and there's like a lot of big like rolling hills and stuff, and I just immediately thought of like just the way it looks. I think-
Okay.
I was like, it looks very like earthy.
Yeah, no,
You
it looks
know?
like the layers of the earth.
Yeah.
that's what you think is in that world, right? Like
Yeah,
that's how it smells like.
exactly.
Cool.
But this was my second favorite. There's two left. I made around 200. These are the last two.
Damn.
This is orange essential oil, calendula petals infused into the olive oil. And it has a lot of shea butter too. So it's like really nice and like creamy, calendula petals on top throughout it. More, this over a natto seed powder on this one. So it's really nice. Kind of like a little massage when you're showering.
Can I smell that one?
How long you been doing this?
I've been doing it for about 4 years. But my actual like business, I started January of last year. So I'm still a baby.
Oh.
Little baby me. So yeah, but I love this one. This one took for freaking ever to make. For sure.
Yeah,
They're all very different. I mean,
You're hungry?
depends on what you're looking for, you know.
they look delicious.
I appreciate that. I love it when people say that. I'm like, that's a compliment right there.
In this place, we notice that it's very unique. You know, the sense of community that it's got. You know, very few places operate like this to this level. The whole block has a party right here. A lot of culture, a lot of art, and raw essence. I encourage you guys to go to La Bodega. Right in the corner in Salud, make a left. The artist that they have showcasing today is very nice. You guys are gonna like it.
Yeah?
Yes.
Thank you so much. I don't want to drop any, you know?
Are you against the whole sad boy? Okay. The multi-layer plastic.
best. I remember mainly talking about and learning about cultures from places other than where we're at right now.
It's not for franchise and will dream that the bastards drop down dead.
I think it's important that they teach more culture here, more culture of the indigenous people here, Kumeyaay, people like that. They hardly talk about it and mention it at all. So I think it's very important that we, take it upon ourselves to kind of spread the culture. And, there's a lot more that I would like to learn and stuff, and so I could share as well.
Yay, we recorded some shit.